Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant, Toddler, Youth, and Car Seat Quickie. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Nuna Pipa Urbn directly into your vehicle, and we're going to be using the lower anchors or the latch system. Remember, installations are not the same in every vehicle, so always check the manual of your car and your car seat to make sure you're following all the rules and doing everything correctly. Now, the Urbn is one of the few car seats out there that does not come with the base and will not click into any of the Nuna bases. The Urbn is strictly a baseless car seat. There's two ways you can do this installation, with the latch system or with the seat belt. We're going to show you how to do it with the latch system. The first thing you want to do, of course, is find the latches in your vehicle. If you're not sure where they are, check the manual of your car. They'll show you exactly where they are in your vehicle. But all cars after 2002 are required by law to have the lower anchors. So if you have a pretty new car, you should have them in your vehicle. In my car, they can be found right here in the corner. There's like a gap in the fabric. And the way to find them is to look for the car seat indicator. So right in the corner here, you're gonna see these two buttons, and there's a picture of a car seat. And directly below it is the slit where the anchors are. So all cars will have some sort of indicator, a button, a cover, a zipper, just something to show you where you can start looking. Now on the actual Pipa Urbn, the connectors are actually already part of the car seat. There's one on each side. All you have to do is grab one of them and rotate it forward. If you move one, they both move at the same time. You're gonna line them up with where the latches are. You're gonna push them in, and once you actually attach them, there's a window here where my thumb is. That window is gonna turn from red to green to let you know it's actually secured. Let's attach it. I've got it lined up with the slits. I'm pushing both on. Right now I've got green on both sides, so that means it's nice and secure. The next thing you wanna look out for is the leveling device. There is a blue line on both sides of the car seat. You want to make sure the line is level with the ground, not the vehicle seat. So whenever you do this installation, Nuna recommends being on a flat surface, so that way you can make sure it's level. But if you're parked on a hill, just make sure the line is parallel, so it should be on the slant as well. So right now we do have the line level. We have green on both of the latches, so we know they're secure. The car seat is not sliding more than an inch from side to side or front to back. And the part of the car seat you should never check from is the top of the chair here. This is still gonna move up and down. It's gonna wiggle side to side. That's normal. If an accident were to happen, the car seats absorb the crash force and redistribute it. Instead of the force being released on the child, it's released back here. So this part here, that's gonna move, but that's normal. When you're ready to get the child out of your car, there is a button directly behind the car seat. If you squeeze the button, it'll unlock the latches, and then you can just take this out. So let me show you where the button is. It's this right here. And yeah, that's how you connect the Nuna Pipa Urbn to your vehicle using the latch system. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and hopefully the video helped you. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.